Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm the site owner and lead developer of Asperger's Network. I'm here today to show you, or actually show off, some of my hard work over the last few months. This is a site version I've been working on since May, so that's about 5 months of hard work that I've actually gone through and done. I have a whole list of things to show you, but I'll try to keep this brief so you don't bore yourself off your chairs. And believe me, it's happened before. I bored someone else off their chair once and it wasn't pretty. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold. But anyway, to start with, you'll notice that under the old version, our navigation of sorts was on the right-hand side. What we've done is we've actually moved it to the left-hand side and pushed all of our articles across, or our most recent articles. It shows the last 10. I think. I'll check into that, but it shows 10 or so articles on the index page, and it also navigates you through to various parts of the website. And it also shows you, if you're not logged in, that you're not logged in and that you can create an account, which is pretty snazzy. I'm going to fix up a few of those little nagging bugs that I found on there just then, but not right now. Okay, he can go away, he can be ignored for a little while, I can call him later. You'll notice on the index page, excuse me, sorry, on the forums index page, you'll notice that we've actually split our categories into two sides. This is because, people don't tend to scroll very far. People are lazy and they don't tend to scroll, so we've done a little bit of consolidating and shifting and stuff, and now everything's in a decent spot. You'll also notice that we've actually got a snazzy looking train as our background. If you click there, it'll take you to the photo in its entirety on Flickr, which is pretty snazzy as well. Now, what we've done is we've actually gone and recreated our forums from scratch. Now, you'll notice a few of these date stamps are the 1st of January at midnight in 1970. That's because we haven't got the posts in this database, but when we go through and fix everything up, they'll be fixed. So, it's all good. Now, you'll notice also that we've got these snazzy little things. Basically what it is if someone decides that they're having issues or having a bad day or whatever, we can hide their posts and they can go through and edit them, or they can discuss their removal with inside our little shack of private discussion that all the moderation team can see and the user can see, so they can discuss their moderation capabilities with the staff. Now also, you'll notice when I clicked that we had avatars. What I've done is I've actually connected up Gravatar to the site, and if your email address matches your Gravatar email address, then we will pull your image for you without hassle. But if it's not, then you can always go through to your profile, then edit options, and you can always change your email address. Time zones are not presently available, but that's something that will come in the future release. Your display name. This is what will display on your posts. You can edit it as much as you like, but what we found is that it won't change how you log in. If your username is Joe and you change your display name to Joe Blogs, your login name will still be Joe. Also, you'll be able to set a custom rank soon enough, and also a phone password. So if you call through to us for support and we need to identify you to make sure we're helping the right person, then we can do that. That's not fixed yet. You can change your password. Yes, yeah. And then you can also edit your profile. I've got to fix these up actually, and that will allow you to log out. And if you view your public profile, you can see we've got the photo over here and a whole lot of fields that we're busy working on how to make them work properly. They're not quite ready yet. Now, another thing that we found is that users were having a hard time replying to things. So what we've done is we've made the process a whole lot more streamlined. So, back under the old system, we'll just go to the old system here for a sec. Under the old system, if you were to quote something, it would come up like this. And there's no way of seeing what you were going to post before you posted it. You were blind. So what we've done is we've made this a whole lot easier. If you want to quote stuff, highlight it, press insert quote, then type this is a test. It comes up under here. It's a little bit buggy, but I'll fix that before we push forth. And it shows you what you will have posted or what you will be posting before you post it. And obviously we've consolidated this notification as well to tell you that if you press submit and your post doesn't appear, to reload the page. The same thing will occur if you go to make a new thread. Obviously, if you type this is a test, it will come up here. Staff have the ability to make things sticky, but you don't need to know that, do you? And also, we still retain a link to the rules, which need to be rewritten. Our wiki still looks much the same. We're not going to change it just yet. All that's still the same. All that's still the same. If you go to, hang on a second. If you go back to here, you'll see your current IP address, which I thought was pretty snazzy. What else is here? Oh yes, our phone number is in the footer, obviously versioning information as well. You can see what we're powered by. If we reload this a couple of times, you'll see there are a whole list of reasons that we have. And that's pretty much about it at the moment. I'll be creating a couple of new videos in the next couple of days, or indeed the next couple of weeks, to show you about a couple of extra features that I will have programmed for Beta 2, but that is about it for now.